Hi, welcome back to Markets of Sunshine. This is Marcia. Thank you for being here with me today on my YouTube channel. And I'm going to start a new video series with you, and it is going to be all about a flip through of the Mary Jane's Farm magazine and what craft projects are in it and other great tips. It's an organic lifestyle magazine. This is the August-September 2022 issue, and it's called Sunbeams. So as you can see here on the front cover, it's going to have a lot of wonderful and a variety of really fun and inspiring topics inside to unlock your creativity, to help you with your organizing, cooking, so countertop composting, homemade apple cider vinegar, whittle a carrot whistle, Nature's RX vitamin D for free, rusty junk into art, Lost Art of Handwriting, and one pan meals. So eat better, feel better, live better. Okay, so let's turn and let me walk you through this magazine. I haven't subscribed to Mary Jane's in a long time, and I received a special offer in the mail to get a free sample, so this is my free magazine, and then I will also be getting a free copy of her latest book of Farm Girl Secrets. That is a new addition to her book line. So as you can see, as I'm turning through the pages, not only is it very excuse me, educational and informative, but there's beautiful images that can be used in here in our crafting and junk journaling and card making. If you watched my video about how to make an ephemera holder out of a magazine, you saw me do that. And you can check that out in my video library. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning and already a long-time subscriber, thank you for being here with me today on my channel. So I'm just going to flip through the pages. We're just going to look at all the variety of what's going on in this particular article. If you're interested in subscribing, then to Mary Jane's magazine, I will have the link to her website in the description below. So it's maryjanesfarm.org. Very easy to remember, but I will also link it in the description below. Heart of Glass. Okay, so now this page, this little section here is just giving us ideas of what we can do with mason jars, and these are the older ones that have this like pewter lid looking type of a metal. I'm not quite sure. Nice desserts, looks like something to do with yogurt, and then other just advertisements, so companies that advertise in her magazine. Okay, gluten-free products. So everything in here, like I said, it's organic lifestyle. Farm Girl finds, but lots of images. Just think of that. Look at these and just think of what you can do with them. Farm Girl expressions. Oh, I love this bird here. That would be pretty on a ephemera. The sunflower. Home Safe Home, simple solutions for everyday organic living. It's all about gardening on this page. Turn your scribbles into a writing. Okay, so it gives you a website here. So if you're a writer or you want to get into writing, then there's something here for you. So Linda, this would be fun for you. And then something for nail care. an alternative. Her chill over powder is a gelatin alternative, so you know, like Jello, that kind of gelatin alternative. And I guess you could use it as an alternative if you were going to make your own jelly, but I've never used it for that. Cute little kitty cat there. Love this border up here, the flowers here. Cute little cow down here. Health and wellness news. Okay, skincare, mental health. I like that. Book club for introverts. Ah, this was a very popular, her book, Wild Bread, Flour, Water, and Air. So there's no yeast required. It's the yeast from the air that actually ferments, making a natural sourdough bread. So if you're interested in that, here's an offer to subscribe to her magazine. This is the article I was interested in on the cover. The sunshine vitamin, a crucial nutrient your body needs. Vitamin D protects the brain. Okay, and I've been starting a new hobby of what they call forest bathing, and you just go actually to a park that has lots of a canopy of trees, and any trees are very beneficial, but the most highly beneficial are your evergreen variety. So pine, cedar, cypress, and the essential oils that they give off are what will double your T cells. So if you look up forest bathing and green health, you'll see there was a program that was started actually by Humana, and I can't remember some other organization. I had come across that one day just doing some research on how to naturally boost my immune system. Okay, and let's see. Oh, I love this section called Simple Solutions, and she shares with you 7 simple solutions of things that you may not have thought of before. So always look for this section because it's something that always filled with such short, little, but powerful information. Here's the bake over. These are the 1 dish meals. Things that you can have on hand, very easy to do. I've made these before. They're very yummy and delicious. More recipes. Always filled with so many yummy recipes. And more recipes. There's another one of the bake-overs. And I like because she gives you the different size of the skillet. 6-inch, 8-inch, 10-inch, 12-inch. Drying your own herbs. The Lost Art of Handwriting. So here's a really nice article about this. So it's going to be fun to read this. I love this paper right here, the old paper. That could be something I could take and use in my crafting. Beautiful sunflowers here. This image as well. So there's always lots of things in here. Making your own quill pen. So that's a cute little craft you could do. Here's the Farm Girl Book Club. And let's see, what do we have going on here? Variety of books. Okay, so obviously a book club is about reading books, so here's a variety of books. And don't waste it, use it up. So now here's a nice little article helping do our part to reduce the carbon footprint. Okay, cute little, okay, so this is turning junk into something useful, which you know I'm all about that. So, oh, I love these ideas. Make a shirt quilt. I have heard about this, and I've yet to do that. But I have taken like dresses, but never like a t-shirt, because there's like t-shirt quilts, there's different varieties of things. Aha, here's the home brewed apple cider vinegar recipe. Woohoo! Okay, so you're going to need the large, wide mouth mason jar, obviously sterilized cheesecloth, and apple peels, cores, and stems, and filtered water. So, I'm not in the market to make any, but if I ever do, I will have a recipe now. These veggie dish towels, I have some of these. I think one of the farm girls sent it to me one time. We did a swap or something, and I believe that's how I got it. Here's the carrot whistle. Oh, how cute. Hollow out the carrot, drill holes, make a slice. Cute. Rusty treasures. Okay, so you know how we like to oxidize metal with our crafts projects, so this is right up our alley for that. Magnolias. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Talking about the woodpecker called the flickers. Making them a little home in the tree here. Nice variety of buildings. Beautiful. I guess, I don't know, maybe they're like damaging the building, so they had to put, oh, they went to putting metal on it so they couldn't damage the wood anymore. Okay. Some stories. Flap doodle. So if you read the article, you will find out what that means, because I have no idea. And what is this here? Latches. Okay, all kinds of latches. Cute, cute, cute. Cultivating wild roses. Ooh, that sounds intriguing. Cast iron cooking recipes. So if you're into using cast iron cookware, then this is for you. She always includes a section of recipes with that. Here's a muffin tin. I didn't even know they had a cast iron muffin tin. Okay, so there's lots of things going on in this book. I mean, magazine. I really love it. Okay, and then last but not least, this is her organic food line. So she shows you, and she has the, what do you call that? Survival economy size. And there you have it. And it ends up with an organic tea. So that's this issue. I hope you enjoyed this little Mary Jane's Farm magazine flip through, and I'm looking forward to the next issue, and I'm looking forward to receiving that book. So we'll do a flip through of that as well. So if you saw things in here that you like, I mean, look at this beautiful image. The cover itself can be used in projects. This right here, I'm really loving that. Thank you again for being here with me, and I hope that this inspired you and that you will check out her magazine. Keep creating in the sunshine and stay safe. Bye-bye.